am sure you've seen many ads, emails, videos, and more regarding 2020. A new year means new goals and a new me, which is great. But what does that mean? Maybe you have been considering a potential goal, but you have to consider, does it realistically match your abilities, your vision moving forward, or even your current lifestyle? What is going to be the best fit for you right now? Well, I'll be creating a few videos drawing from a number of experiences and presenting them to you with topics such as what to include in your goal setting, what not to include, and how to make sure the pursuit of achieving those goals runs smoothly and steadily until you reach your final destination. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.